Alright guys, welcome back to the first update on Hurricane Fiona, which has been intensifying quite quickly as it approaches the Puerto Rico coastline and may even make landfall there, may even make landfall on the Dominican Republic as well. There are hurricane warnings for Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and hurricane watches for some parts as well. There's a tropical storm watch for the Bahamas currently as well, as this storm starts to chug along through the Puerto Rican and Dominican Republic. It looks like it may even go in between. That is a possibility, but it probably will make landfall on one of the places. So currently, the storm has wind speeds of 80 miles per hour, that is 70 knots, gusting with winds of 90 miles per hour, a pressure of 987 millibars. It is moving west-northwest at 8 miles per hour, as in this latest update brought to you by Curtis Simplified. So taking a look at the National Hurricane Center forecast cone, you can see they're expecting it to continue along, may make landfall down Puerto Rico or Dominican Republic, may even make landfall on both there. Tropical storm watches for the Bahamas, they probably will turn to tropical storm warnings soon. There's another a hurricane watch there for northern Dominican Republic and another tropical storm watch for southern Dominican Republic. Still tropical storm warnings for some of the Puerto Rican islands, but the storm is moving through, and when it does so, it will probably strengthen as well. As you can see, major hurricane there as it goes near Bermuda. That would be very awful if that were to occur, because that goes extremely near Bermuda, but the good thing is the storm does start to speed up, it looks like, by that point. Take a look at the model intensity guidances. You can see category 3 is pretty certain, mid-range. Most of them are going as well. Most of them are going around 120 miles per hour before weakening quite quickly there, a lot of them there. But some have it going Cat 4. 2 of them have it going Cat 4, and HWFI may have it going Cat 4 as well. That's a bit of an interesting thing though, as that is over 132 hours out. So very far out, and it's very hard to predict what intensity this storm will get to. For example, like at one point, the National Hurricane Center expected would become a Category 4 major hurricane. It never even became a Category 3. Take a look at the visible imagery. You can see that center there. Very pronounced. That may be center, but I'm not entirely sure looking at that. It may just be a part where the convection has failed to bloom over. However, as you can see, the storm regardless very close to Puerto Rico, and will get closer to Dominican Republic as well. There's probably already showers starting in Dominican Republic and heavy rainfall for Puerto Rico. Probably tropical storm conditions already happening in Puerto Rico, and they will start to get worse within the next 2 to 3 hours, where hurricane conditions could be coming on shore, with hurricane wind gusts most certainly coming on shore. Take a look at the true color zoomed out imagery here of Fiona. You can see there's good inflow there. Outflow's a bit more questionable, but inflow is very good. It's definitely an inflow storm. There you can see that inflow band's really affecting some of the islands near Puerto Rico, maybe even farther than the British Virgin Islands as well. The outer bands are going that far out. Definitely the strongest side is the eastern side, and the western side only has a little bit of convection near the center. However, that may change as the storm continues, as it may start to bloom convection pretty much everywhere. Anyway, thank you for watching this update on Hurricane Fiona. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.